This is Sony Xperia 1III review. It provides a top-tier smartphone display, long battery life, and a camera that is easier to use than the one on previous Sony smartphones. Currently, Sony is boasting about the world's first 4K 120Hz smartphone, though this may not be quite as impressive as it sounds, as Sony is the only brand making 4K phones. It's designed this way to offer a big screen experience when watching video, and this has a major impact on the overall design of this handset, and can make it hard for those with smaller hands to use. It features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, a 12GB RAM chip that has impressed us through our testing, and you can choose between 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. On April 14, 2021, Sony Xperia 1III was unveiled, with a release date of August 19, over 4 months later. Starting at $1,299.99 in the US and £1,199, roughly $2,200, in the UK, this phone is slightly more expensive than the Xperia 1II, which launched in October. Its design is similar to Sony's previous flagship phones, so if you have seen Sony's previous phones, you can expect a similar affair here. Glass rear with brushed finish makes it easy to grip. However, its sheer size, 165 by 71 by 8.2 mm in a 21:9 aspect ratio, may be difficult for those with smaller hands to grasp comfortably. In this case, we recommend getting a case for the handset. Unlike most smartphones in this price range, the volume rocker and power button are found on the right side of the device, and the fingerprint scanner is built into the power button. Sony has even embossed the shutter button on the Xperia 1III so that it's easier to recognize which button you are hitting when holding the phone horizontally. On the bottom edge is the USB-C port and SIM tray, while the top edge houses the 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature not found in many top-end phones. The Xperia 1III also features stereo speakers on the front, which has always been one of Sony's highlights. Likewise, 120Hz is a game changer. Sony's previous 4K smartphones offered 60Hz as the maximum refresh rate. If your screen refreshes at 120Hz, the image on the screen will appear smoother when you're playing games, watching movies, or even simply reading your Instagram feed. The Xperia 1III has 2 image quality modes: standard mode, the default setting, or creator mode, which provides faithful color reproduction and various other enhancements in order to make content look as natural as possible. The Xperia 1III is a great phone if you wish to watch movies, videos, or TV shows. The cameras consist of a primary 12MP f/1.7 aperture 24mm wide-angle shooter and an ultra-wide 12MP f/2.2 16mm camera for when you need to include more people, or more of the scene. Xperia 1III features an adaptive telephoto camera, featuring a 12MP sensor and 2 lenses, a f/2.3 70mm telephoto lens and an f/2.8 plus 105mm lens. A 70mm lens gives 2.9x zoom while a 105mm lens gives 4.4x zoom, beyond that there is a 12.5x digital zoom. It is extremely useful for taking pictures of pets that cannot be expected to remain still while you take their pictures, and we were able to get great pictures with the autofocus feature. In addition to the front camera, which is identical to the one on the Xperia 1II, and which produced good selfies, the topside camera is 8MP f/2.0 camera that should do just fine for the occasional shot for social media and for video calling. With 12GB of RAM and a top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, the Xperia 1III offers flagship performance. You can buy either the 256GB or 512GB storage version of this phone, but unlike previous generations, you will get 12GB of RAM with both. If you need more storage, the microSD slot will allow you to add on. This is the first time Sony has offered 5G technology on its flagship phone in the United States. The battery is 4,500 mAh, compared to 4,000 mAh on the Xperia 1II. The phone comes with a 30-watt charger to facilitate fast charging as well. We like Sony's addition of reverse wireless charging here, which allows you to charge other devices such as headphones, smartwatches and other phones by utilizing the phone's battery.